Hey guys, it's Janica from Little Canadian, and let's play around with some Magna-Tiles together. So Magna-Tiles are suitable from ages 3 and up, and they are these translucent plastic pieces. They come in different colors, shapes, and sizes, and they're all lined with magnets along the edges. These promote unstructured playtime and can also help take your child's imagination to the next level. These are also STEM approved, so you would see them in a lot of educational settings, and you can ensure that your child is having a productive playtime while developing their math, science, and tactile skills. So these pieces can also be helpful in promoting the development of your child's fine motor skills, and it's also a really fun activity that you guys can do as a family. As you can see behind me, we have a really wide selection of Magna-Tiles. These make for a really great birthday gift or a gift for the holidays. And you can also mix and match different Magna-Tile sets. So for example, we have a Cars one over here. And then with that, you can also match it with this truck ramp one that you see right over here. You and your child will always have something new to build, and you can build bigger structures together. So make sure to come in store to see our Magna-Tiles in person, or you can go to our website littlecanadian.ca to shop our Magna-Tiles online. Bye!